Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Outdoor Chaise Lounge, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Outdoor Chaise Lounge, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best outdoor chaise lounge from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. WAROOM Outdoor PE Wicker Chaise Lounge Chairs Set. Upgrade your outdoor relaxation with the WAROOM Outdoor PE Wicker Chaise Lounge Chairs Set. Designed for comfort and durability, these stylish lounge chairs feature a rusty-resistant steel frame and all-weather PE rattan, ensuring long-lasting outdoor use. With 5 adjustable reclining positions, you can effortlessly find the perfect angle for reading, napping, or sunbathing. Need extra space? The foldable side table provides room for books, snacks, or drinks, adding ultimate convenience. The 2.3-inch thick, high-resilience sponge cushions with breathable covers offer unmatched comfort, making every moment outdoors pure bliss. This set includes 2 chaise lounge chairs, complete with a furniture cover for easy maintenance. Perfect for your patio, porch, deck, poolside, garden, or beach, these chairs bring style and relaxation to any setting. Order yours today and lounge in luxury. Number 2. Ciokea Aluminum Chaise Lounge Outdoor Patio Lounge. Chair for outside. Relax in style with the Ciokea Aluminum Chaise Lounge Outdoor Patio Lounge Chair. Designed for convenience and comfort, this foldable lounge chair is perfect for poolside lounging, patios, and outdoor adventures. Its lightweight yet durable aluminum frame makes it easy to carry while ensuring long-lasting performance. With a 5-level adjustable backrest, you can switch effortlessly between sitting and lying down, reducing body fatigue and providing the perfect angle for relaxation. No assembly is required. Just unbox and start relaxing instantly. The premium textiline fabric is breathable, quick-drying, and weather-resistant, keeping you cool and comfortable on hot days. Need extra stability? The included 2 accessories enhance support for heavier individuals. Whether by the pool, garden, patio, or beach, this versatile lounge chair is your go-to for ultimate relaxation. Order yours today and enjoy stress-free lounging. A tour in mystery. Number 3. Opus Chaise Lounge Portable Lightweight Reclining Lounger. Relax in ultimate comfort with the Ostrich Chaise Lounge Portable Lightweight Reclining Lounger. Perfect for the beach, poolside, or camping. This lightweight, foldable lounge chair is designed for easy portability with a convenient carrying strap. Experience luxury lounging with the open or closed face cavity, arm slots, and a pillow for the ultimate relaxation. Whether you want to lounge on your back or stomach, the Chaise offers 4 adjustable positions for reclining or laying flat, making it ideal for tanning, reading, or even a quick nap. Crafted from rust-resistant aluminum and durable polyester, this chaise is built to last for many seasons. Plus, its quick-drying fabric keeps you cool and comfortable even on the hottest days. Pack it up and take it anywhere for a superior lounging experience wherever life takes you. Number 4. Domi Patio Lounge Chairs, set for pool, garden, beach. Transform your outdoor space with the Domi Patio Lounge Chairs, set for pool, garden, and beach. This 3-piece set includes 2 lounge chairs and a side table, designed for ultimate relaxation and durability. The premium aluminum frame and textiline fabric are quick-drying, fade-resistant, and easy to maintain, making them perfect for outdoor use in any weather. With 5 adjustable backrest positions, these lounge chairs cater to all your relaxation needs, whether you're reading, sunbathing, or napping. For added convenience, the chairs feature movable wheels, allowing you to easily reposition them wherever you like. Plus, their stackable design makes for effortless storage when not in use. With a 380 limbo weight capacity and easy assembly, these chairs are built to last. Enhance your poolside, patio, or garden with comfort and style. Number 5. EUNHOO Outdoor Chaise Lounge, set for garden, pool, beach, patio. Relax in style with the EUNHOO Outdoor Chaise Lounge, set for your garden, pool, beach, or patio. This set of 2 Chaise lounges features premium polypropylene resin, designed to withstand the elements and offer year-round durability. The water-repellent, quick-dry fabric and breathable cutout design keep you cool even on hot summer days. Enjoy customizable comfort with the 5 adjustable backrest positions, allowing you to find the perfect angle for relaxation whether you're reading, sunbathing, or napping. These lounges are easy to assemble, one person can complete the setup in minutes, and the built-in locking mechanism ensures secure use. Lightweight at just 20.5 plus per chair, you can effortlessly carry them anywhere. Perfect for the poolside, beach, garden, or deck, this Chaise lounge set adds comfort and elegance to any outdoor space. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.